Hey there, how are we doing today? Today is a good day. We're unboxing a new watch. Today we're unboxing a Casio G-Shock. This is kind of like a reinvention of the original one. It's pretty cool. Can't wait to take a look at it in real life. I've seen some of the pictures of it. Really nice looking watch. This is going to be the GMWB5000GD-9. Yep, that sure is a mouthful, but oh yeah, take a look at it there. A beautiful gold tone to this watch. Let me get the plastic off so you can take a real good look at it. Wow. You know, it's not until you take a look at it in real life you really appreciate how kind of cool this watch is. This retro vintage vibe here. So it might look vintage, you know, with that gold tone upgrade, but this watch is packed with a lot of the new modern G-Shock capabilities, including it's got G-Shock's multi-band 6 atomic timekeeping technology. It's solar powered as well, so a lot of goodies in this vintage package. Again, the gold tone is spot on. Sometimes you find the gold looking too yellow or too light. It's got a really nice luster to it. Really cool. And this one here's got the blackout face. You can see it here on my wrist. Just a cool watch. You wear it, I'm sure you can get a lot of attention, people asking you about it, because it's such a cool, different watch. So the watch is also 200-meter water resistant, so that's great. You can get it wet, take in the water. It's also got a Bluetooth smartphone link. So like I said, full of cool features. This is a fun watch, kind of a must-have. Thanks. Have a good day.